So for remembering numbers, we should follow the peg image system. So for remembering words, we have different methods. Similarly, for remembering numbers, we have peg system. So what is this peg system, and what are the requirements and way to apply this number system? We will see. So we have phonetic chart or phonetic method. It means these are the fixed from 0 to 9. We will take some phonic sounds. Based upon that phonic sounds, we are going to build peg images. Based upon these peg images, we are going to remember the numbers, whatever the numbers, with the help of again law of association. Friends, if you observe, these three are connected each other. First, you should know the phonetic chart. Then you can build the peg images with the help of phonetic chart, and finally, you should use the law of association for connecting that images. So we will see some demo also here. So before that, you should observe the phonic chart or phonic method. So for number, we have phonic sound as SZE for 0. So for number 1, phonic sound is TRD. It means one downstroke. For 2, phonic sound is N. It means here two downstrokes are there in the letter N. Kindly observe. Yes. For 3, we have 3 downstrokes. So whenever 3 comes, you can use M for making any pick image. That image should be start with the M. And 4, we have R, because FOUR, it remains 4. So simple tip is R for 4. For phonic sound, L, which denotes the Roman digit, that is 50. But we are using it for 5. So for number 6, we have phonic sounds J, SH, CH. So J is the mirror image of 6. SH Chet means 6. CH means J, right? So that's why we can easily remember 6. And for 7, we have phonic sounds K, G, C, right? So G is the 7th letter in English, right? So mostly we use C. So for building the peg images or peg words. For phonic sound F or V, we are using number 8 because F looks like 8. So for 9 number, we will build for peg images with the help of phonic sounds like P or B. P is the mirror image of 9. Basically, we use B for remembering 9. Here we will see some numbers. So let us take 22. 22, we have phonic sound N, N. 2 denotes 2 downstrokes. Similarly, 2 again, N, which is the 2 downstrokes. 2. So just make the word. How to build that peg image means we should start that phonic sound and end with the phonic sound. In between, we should use AEIOU. So let us take, I have used U, which is the none. So for number 22, we have the peg image none. For number 23, for 2 phonic sound, we have N because 2 downstrokes. For 3, we have M, that is 3 downstrokes. So let us observe how to build that peg image. So start with N because 2, end with M because 3. In between, we should use AEIOU. Sometimes we can also deviate the principle, but majorly we follow start and end. In between, we should use AEIOU. Got it, friends? Yes. So the peg word is the name. So for 24, let us take another thing. Same thing for N. We start with N, end with R. In between, we should frame AEIOU. So friends, here if you observe, I have taken Nehru. So it means I am deviating the principle. I am using some other consonants and I am adding some letters out of the last letter. So this is the some deviation, but mainly concept is start with the phonic sound, end with the phonic letter, right? So in between AAOU, sometimes you can additions. So friends, this is the overall concept of how to build peg images, right? With the help of phonic sounds.